Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your heated steering wheel in your 2020 Lexus NX300. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the left hand side of the steering wheel. And once we do that, it's by the window controls. Once we do that, we're gonna click on these heated steering wheel logo. Orange means that it is on. Give it a couple seconds for it to take effect and you should feel the steering wheel getting hot. If you would like to turn it off, of course, go back to it again and click on it to turn it off. If there are no orange illuminating, that means that the heated steering wheel, it is off. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.